Aircraft records management doesn't have to be a burden. In 2021, we introduced our Technical Records Hub at our secure facility in Shannon to digitise archives for airlines and lessors. We use multiple high-speed duplex scanners with OCR technology capable of scanning up to 800 pages a minute. A trained team delivers on-site recovery, secure storage, scanning, digitisation and a thorough review. Our streamlined process means clients can review records via digital portal without taking on time-consuming manual work. Our Records Hub helps make audits, redeliveries and transitions faster and cost-effective.